What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. The S4 is looking quite clean right now because I just washed it today. Luckily, it is kind of chilly out right now, but we're about to go to a little secret car meet, and it's about like 2 hours away. So your boy gotta go ahead and get my ass there. I am kind of late though because it did started like an hour ago, but you know I always pull up to shit late. So we just made it to the spot. R7 though. Damn. V8 twin turbo. Anybody can get it. Damn, why is everybody over here? Is this like 1,000 horsepower?
Ahí está.
Ah, wait.
El filtro es
AMS.
para que no agarre calor.
Triple max. Big ass single turbo. Shit got a fucking parachute on there, bruh. Look at the welds on that bitch.
Come on, bro, don't shit the bed right now.
How fast you gotta think this thing is? How fast this thing is?
1700.
1700? God damn.
Let me take turns over.
It's the fastest M3 on the East Coast.
Fastest M3 on the East Coast.
Maine.
GT3 RS is leaving.
Yes, sir. We outside tomorrow.
Look at these, bro. Shit's... You guys trying to hear it? Look at that wing on that thing. This Uber wide body is crazy too though. Look at that. You fit my whole hand in there. This Supra is like a sleeper. He got a hood exit on here. Damn, hood exit on a Supra. Z06 over here. Is that a Z06? Nah, it's just a C6. C6 are becoming popular again. Everybody's starting to get them. E92 M3. You know, these things, they just sound good. B58 M340. What you guys think of the ZR1 though? Did you guys take the ZR1? Looks like it has some work done to it. It's kind of dark out here, but I love how simple and aggressive they look. Damn, I should probably grab a ZR1 or Z06, bro. Install some Christmas lights on the S4. Yes, this is my first time doing it, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Hopefully it turned out well. I did do my homework to see what's the proper way and the proper things that I would need to get it installed on the car, but let's go ahead and do it. Let me show you guys what I got to install it on the car. So I got these lights here off Amazon. They are available on the TikTok shop as well. I will link them down for you guys. They are on sale right now. These are 398 feet by 1200, no, 300, they're 1200 bulbs basically, and I got a power inverter which is 120 watt to 240 watt peak. Hopefully this works out. I also got some red masking tape that isn't too harsh on my paint, and I went with red so that it matched my paint a little bit and it doesn't have all these little patch spots during the daytime from tape. So if I feel like if you can get a tape color that match your car, do so it doesn't look so odd during the daytime. But if not, go with clear. I heard that some clear ones are good and you can get away with the clear one. It looks a lot cleaner. It's just my preference. But hopefully these lights are enough, man, because I don't know, like I said, this is my first time installing Christmas lights on the S4. So I believe this is what, 398 feet and then 1,200 volts, basically. And then you also need a power inverter. Hopefully that's a higher enough wattage inverter. Well, of course, you got to test out the lights and the inverter to make sure it works properly. So here you go. I plugged it in my power outlet, secret outlet, and there's the inverter, and here's the light. And this is, I don't know, the settings that I plugged in, flashing. So this does have like a lot of multiple settings or whatever. As it says, there is a control. I can control the settings and stuff as well, which is, I feel like it is a great bang for your buck. So during the process of getting the car wrapped in Christmas lights, I got half of it done, as you can see here. Fender, hood, and bumper. But now we ran into a small little problem. All the lights are tangled up. I just want to shoot myself in the head right now. I don't know how it happened. The lid came off of the wheel, and from there it started tangling up on its own. I couldn't untangle it, and I finished half my car exactly. So I guess I'm gonna have to just order another set of lights and try to get it on and finish it up. But at least for now, half of the front end is done and it looks presentable. It looks pretty good as of now. So we'll stay tuned for the next part. So here how half looks like so far. Just the fenders, hood, and bumper. That won't look too bad actually. It's a pretty vibe right now. That's pretty different. Instead of the whole car, just half the car. That's a little different. I might just keep it like that if anything. I don't know. But at least I have some Christmas lights on right now for the holidays. But I'm gonna have to get another set to do it because that's my stupid mistake. Rookie mistake number one, putting on Christmas lights on your car. But so far it looks so good. What you guys think? Dang, I should probably finish the whole car. It will probably look a lot better.